Hi, I didn't congratulate the POTUS, the President of the United States, who has been elected, Mr. Joe Biden. I'm afraid I will be considered pretentious to know him very closely. Honestly, I didn't know him yet. But I've known better Mr. Donald Trump than him. Donald Trump is a disgrace to the world. And if Mr. Joe Biden would be the good news for Muslims throughout the world, and he will welcome all Muslims for visiting United States, I think I will like him a lot, and for the time being, and for a while. Anyway, do you know that the president is the highest ranked commander of the country? That's now. From now on, I know who is the commander of G.I. Joe, Mr. Joe Biden.